I'm Francisco Matamoros and this is my bike check. Well, my frame is a Cardinal 21.25. I ride a premium whiskey bar, a colony fork, and a redneck LT stem that is broken right here, but I don't care. Well, I ride a premium combo seat, a premium crank with a premium slim pedals. Well, those are my hoops, are a Joytex, are so old, but well, I ride a 13 tooth chain wheel Odyssey with a 44 sprocket. It's ugly. Well, my chain is a KMC, cool. The tires are Tioga Hoverbolt at the rear, and a Maxis for dirt in the front. Well, the grips are a premium, are so good, and the bar ends are solid. Well, and this, that's all.
Miss Maggie McGill, she lived on a hill. Her daddy got drunk and left her no will, so she went down to Tansy Town. People down there really like to get it on. Now if you're sad